Over the last month, Kenyans have witnessed firsthand the majesty and vibrancy of our constitutional democracy. The Building Bridges Initiative, Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill, was transmitted by the IEBC to all our nation's 47 county assemblies, setting the stage for the first amendment. Thus far, 42 county assemblies have considered the bill. The affirming voice has thundered across the Republic in resonance with the desire of all Kenyans to further strengthen our governance by breaking the cycle of divisive elections, fostering equitable distribution of resources by enhancing the share of revenues to county governments, and creating a more robust and responsive framework to secure opportunities for all Kenyans, including our micro, small, and medium enterprises. Today, on behalf of a grateful nation, we convey our immense gratitude to all our county assemblies for their monumental support for this popular initiative. Their bold action sets the foundation upon which Kenya shall advance intergenerational equity, realize gender parity, guarantee equal opportunities for all, and give each Kenyan a bigger slice of our shared prosperity. As we embark on the next stage in realizing the First Amendment, we urge all Kenyans to build on our renewed unity and greater political consensus for the enduring benefit of the nation we all hold dear. BBI represents a once-in-a-generation break from the past to resolve many long-standing national challenges that hold us back from realizing a united and prosperous Kenya for all. To ensure the voice of every Kenyan is heard and to enable every one of us to exercise their civic duty, we will undertake civic education to sensitize the entire Kenyan nation on the opportunities that lie for our homeland and nation as part of this initiative. And to this end, we shall hold a consultative meeting on Tuesday, 9th March, involving members of Parliament and the county leadership. As our country representatives have shown, now is a moment for all Kenyans to put aside partisan divides and come together to build a better Kenya for ourselves, our children, and for generations of Kenyans yet to be born. May we dwell in unity, peace, and liberty. God bless you. God bless Kenya. Thank you.